Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel on day 4. Today I am going to share a smoothie recipe which takes care of your liver health. Also, if you have any digestion issues, try having this smoothie on a regular basis. You definitely find some solution to it. So without taking much of your time, let's get started.
To prepare this smoothie, take 2 red apples and 2 sweet lemons or Mosambi. We have to just remove the seeds and take a little ginger piece, add some chaat masala. This also you can skip. To get that chatpati taste, I just added, otherwise this is just an optional. Add 1.5 cups of water. I have recently studied that sweet lemon is a powerhouse of nutrients. It contains enzymes that help the liver break down toxins more efficiently. Adding apples to this smoothie will double the nutrient quality as well as the taste. And ginger is an anti-inflammatory which helps in good digestion. One more thing I wanted to say here is make sure that there are no seeds in the sweet lemons while adding to the blender. Just 2 minutes in the blender, the smoothie is ready. Let's just strain it. Since we serve this to our kids also as well in the family, we have to undergo this straining process because some peels like sweet lemon are hard to digest. If you wanted to have any citrus fruit juices like sweet lime or orange and all, for one person we might need 3 to 4 fruits to get a glass of juice, and that too the pulp is always gets wasted. This way we retain all the pulp and retain all the fiber. Our day 4 nutrient and fiber rich smoothie is ready to be served. Since I have to shoot, these days the smoothies are being served as a mid-morning snack along with my nutty whole wheat homemade jaggery brownies.
Hope you all liked today's smoothie recipe. See you all tomorrow. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.